Okay, let's be real. I was super skeptical about the Lovesac hype, but after months of seeing those ads, my curiosity finally won. I ended up getting a Sactional, and here's my honest take on it after having it for about a year. Pros: Comfort King. Seriously, these things are basically giant pillows. Sinking into my Sactional after a long day is pure heaven. Modular for the win. I've rearranged my living room setup at least 3 times already, and my Lovesac has adapted perfectly every single time. It's brilliant for changing needs. Washable covers, game changer. Spilled coffee? Dog decided to use it as a bed? No problem. Toss those covers in the wash, and it's like new. Durability. I was worried it might feel flimsy, but it's held up incredibly well. My kids and I give it a good workout, and it still looks great. Cons: pricey. No way around it. Lovesacs are an investment. You're paying for that customization and long-term use. The slouch factor. It's not a super structured, sit-up straight kind of sofa. If you love the cloud-like lounging experience, it's perfect. If you prefer firm support, not so much. Assembly. It wasn't the hardest thing ever, but putting it together the first time takes some time and a bit of patience. Finding the sweet spot. With so many possible configurations, it takes a little experimenting to find what works best for your space and style. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.